Dude, I'm working on it.
140. 140 average. No, 140 average. I weigh 160.
Smile for the camera, man. He's being a dick.
Alright, everybody get off!
Hello, everybody off. Up. Ooh. Hey, it's like a Chinese fighter drill. Watch it, it's gonna tip over.
What if you did a Chinese fighter? Two full
Maddie, fail block 101.
Never seen a tractor before. Go.
No, I'm getting this driving for my this is my short YouTube series. Why buses should not be allowed to why we need to get better buses.
No, this is gonna go on off-road busing 101.
This is go on how to fail. I'm still walking. Can I still get a good view? I want to be the minimum distance. We should take like a measuring tape and be like, yeah. Coach K needs to get off the period. No, Coach K over there. Over there. She needs to get off the period. I'm not talking about that other one.
That's like it tips over.
Live forever in peace!
It's like a break.
Peace be with you. I don't know if I said it right.
Yeah. Look at this. Are we ever be free? Yeah. Magic! How are we gonna get out? Showtime, people!
That's
How do we get out?
He's gonna have to gun it to get out.
How do we get out?
Don't get on! You have to pull her out.
Watch, we all get on it all like suddenly tips over. Like a poor lying. Out of a ditch.
Can somebody give me a picture like shaking these out? Did you get that one?
Yeah, I got it. We're still rolling.
Holy girls.
But edit. I'm gonna edit this all. No, Jose, I got a feature on this that if I did that, I could send it straight to YouTube. Josh, watch as another bus gets stuck in the ditch.
Genius.
We should all probably move. Oh, dude, I hope he. Dude.
Pretty hilarious if they got stuck too.
Dude, watch it. Every single bus that gets in there gets stuck.
Like 10.
Guys, head over to our bus so we can get your stuff. And we can use the tent set up. Follow our bus.
Dude, I'm gonna be. Josh, I should have plugged this into like the projector and hack it to like the bit projector in the video. Hack it.
Yeah, like while we're watching the recording on my